Today I want to show you a quick way to import a table from a PDF document into Excel. The Excel version I'm using is Microsoft 365. However, I'll show you the method I use for Excel 2019, which I believe will work for Excel 2016 as well. Okay, here's a report from the Bank of Canada. I wanted to analyze the balance sheet in Excel, so I imported this table into Excel with Power Query. I'll show you how I did this shortly. The PDF file is saved on my computer and the table is on page 11. So now go to the Data tab in Excel, click on Get Data from File and select from PDF. Select the file, click on Import. Right here in the navigation pane are the different tables Excel found in the PDF file. You can click each one to see a preview of the table. I'll select the table on page 11. Now you can load this table directly into Excel or transform the data in the Power Query editor window if it's not in the right format. Take a closer look at the data. You notice that the table headers are not in the right position, and we can fix that. Click on Transform Data. Next, click on the table icon and select Use First Row as Headers. You can change the name of the query if you want. Next, you need to change the data type. But before you do that, let's replace any dash in the data with 0. Otherwise, Power Query won't be able to transform that data type to decimal or whole number, as the case may be. So right click and replace dash with 0. Now the data can be loaded into Excel. In the Home tab, click Close and Load To. Select Table. And that's it, a fully functional Excel table, and you can go ahead and modify it or convert it to range as you wish. Now, if you don't use Microsoft 365, you can try this method. Go to the Data tab, click on Get Data from File and select from XML. Now from this drop down, select All Files. Now you can select the PDF file. Click on Import, select the table on page 11 and then click on Transform Data to fix the format. It's really faster than using the traditional copy and paste. Now that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.